Good morning and welcome to Vlogcember day 3. So, I'm feeling a little scratchy here. Gonna take an emergency in a wine glass, and then I have 2 left of these. This is Vital Proteins Immune Support Gummies. I need to get more of these. These are actually delicious. I don't know if you're supposed to take both, but I'm going to. Also, this place is a mess. There's dishes everywhere. Laundry, the laundry never ends. Never. I don't have anything that's clean right now to start this with. I know, Oakley. Like, literally, I have nothing to stir this with other than a baby spoon. I just did laundry yesterday. I've got to do, like, at least 3 more loads. At least, to, like, catch up. So, we love that. And it's just a shit show. So, welcome to day 3 of cleaning, because I have to clean this whole place. And I feel like I just cleaned it yesterday. So that's what happens. Do you guys see this? It's absolute chaos in here. I just folded laundry. Like I said, I have to do like 3 more loads of laundry before I'm completely caught up. But I really need to pick up everything because it's giving me anxiety. I did some dishes, but naturally we ran out of paper towels. Scott just went to the store, so I ran out of my coffee, paper towels. I don't know. We're gonna make, well, he's gonna make chicken noodle soup or chicken rice soup. But I did those dishes, gotta do trash. Like, it's just chaos, absolute chaos in here. So I'm just gonna work on putting these clothes away, getting another load of laundry ready. He stands by himself sometimes. I'm gonna actually put Christmas music on so we can listen to some Christmas music. Yeah. And that is what I'm doing, just picking up. Oh, you faked me out. You're leaning, silly. He's so cute. I literally, like, I just wanna, yeah. You wanna hold my hand? High five. High five. High five. High five. No? High five. Yeah! Good job! Good job! Good puff. So I just cleaned the kitchen. Any guesses on how long this is gonna last? Because I'm gonna say a few hours, but it is clean finally. I lit a candle. This is my favorite candle. It is not from Bath & Body Works. It is from Target. And I got it last year. It's called Oh Christmas Tree, and it's so good. But they don't have it this year. So I don't know what's really similar to this. Also, I don't know if that's okay. But this just smells so good. It smells like literal Christmas. Like, I don't know, pine mixed with apple, sweetness. I don't know. I don't know how to describe that, but it is divine. So the kitchen is clean. The living room is pretty clean. I've got the fireplace on Netflix to set the mood. We have a naked boy playing with his book. Yeah, I'm gonna work on the living room a little bit more and get things together. And I'll show you guys what Scott is bringing home because he's making some chicken and rice soup. You like the fire, honey? Okay, that's the plan. All right, I rinsed myself tanner off. I'm significantly tanner than you. Yeah. Yeah, put that tongue away. Whose tongue is that? Scott's about ready to go pick up some takeout. And I am gonna go through, the lighting's not that great. Also don't mind the mess over here because I also have to go through that. But I need to go through my lippies and keep like, how many are we gonna keep? Like 20, because we don't need like 100, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so out of all of these, I don't want to keep that many lippies because I literally don't use them, and a lot of them are super old. So I thought we could declutter some. Declutter. I'm going to get rid of this shiny, sparkly Urban Decay gloss. I just never wear it, and it's old. This isn't that old. This is from Maybelline Nude Gloss. These are nice. I like the packaging of this. We're going to keep that, although we have a lot to go through here. Butter glosses I'm obsessed with, and I think these are pretty new because I got them recently. So I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep another Maybelline. Yeah, you tell me. Tell me about it. Dose of Colors. I just can't part with this because it's glitterly. It's glitter nude. It's really pretty. All right, we need to start getting rid of some. I'm gonna get rid of another Urban Decay. I'm gonna get rid of this KKW because it's old and I think it like doesn't smell good anymore. Stila, this is like my only, you guys know my only red. Actually, I have two reds, but this is so old. I want to say this is like 7 years old. I'm gonna keep this Too Faced lip injection because this is pretty new, so I'm gonna keep that one. Love that. This Carity lipstick. Ooh, okay, so this is not the shade that I thought it was. This is Pretty Fly. I'm gonna get rid of this one, but there's one that I have. It's called All Night Long. It's literally the perfect nude. This I'm tossing. Milani. All right, I'm getting rid of this ColourPop one. I'm getting rid of Kylie. Like, these are just too old for me to keep. I'm getting rid of all these. They're way too old. Ooh, but I want to keep this one. I remember really liking this from Tarte. This is in Festival. I think this is limited edition. I have to keep it. I know it's old, but I have to keep it. This is my keep pile. This is my get rid of pile. So far so good, but there's a shit ton left. Huda Beauty Bombshell. I got to get rid of because it's really old. I will keep this one. This is the other red that I have that I was wearing in my first Vlogcember, so I'll keep that. Oh, these Bare Minerals ones smell so good. I'm going to keep Juju. It's old, but I can't get rid of it. Huda Beauty Trendsetter. It's a very like brownie orange. Getting rid of that. It's a tad old, honey. Okay, look at all these. Let me take a little look-see here. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of all of these in my hand. Okay, I needed to go in different lighting to show you guys this gloss. This is like a sparkly, really pretty gloss from Artist Couture. I don't think I've ever worn it, and I'm keeping it because look at how stunning that looks. Also, I'm gonna keep this. I know it's old. I still have a gratis sticker on it, but this is from Becca. It's a glow gloss in Malibu Soleil. Oh, we are keeping this, honey. We are keeping it. We're gonna go on the floor soon. I feel bad sometimes just putting him in there, but I just can't, like, it's not child friendly in here. So he mostly likes it in there, except when he doesn't like it in there. Am I right? Yeah. You just had a great nap though, so that was terrific. Anyways, keeping this because look at how beautiful that is. These ones right here I'm getting rid of, Urban Decay, Bite Beauty, and Ofra. We're gonna toss these, they're old. Okay, I have some more here. The lighting in front of the window is a lot better, so love these. Do they still make these from Pixie? Because if they do, you guys need them. They're the most comfortable things ever on your lips. This is matte beige, one of my favorites. I'm gonna keep this one. Oh, I like this one too, the natural. I'm gonna get rid of these 3 bright ones. See how bright those are? Ooh, or should I keep that red one? Because I forgot, I didn't realize I had another red. Let me keep the red. Ooh, but that pink. Can you even stand that pink? It is stunning. I literally don't know how I had so many reds that I didn't know about. I might actually, should I wear a different new lipstick every day of Vlogcember? Because that looks really pretty. I said I wasn't gonna wear red, but why not? Also this one, tossing. We're gonna get rid of that one. This one's really pretty. It's a really pretty mauvey purple from Urban Decay. It's in Back Talk, which is one of the most popular ones, but do I want to keep it? Maybe I'll keep it. Insanity. I'm gonna get rid of Insanity. Oh, every time I look at these colors when I go through my lippies, I'm like, these are so beautiful. Why would I get rid of it? You know? I think this one, this one's Doll Face. It looks let's get rid of it. Let's toss Doll Face. Wow, the packaging on this one, I believe it's Dose of Colors in No Shade. It's like a Desi collab. The packaging is beautiful. Oakley changed it to Spanish. Oh, there's a hair. You like Espanol? Are we gonna teach you Spanish? We actually got Oakley a baby doll, and Scott's gonna pick it up like a Target pickup because my mom found an old baby doll of mine and he loves it, so we picked him up a baby doll. Anyways, this shade in Infamous from Bare Minerals, have no clue if they still make this, but when I tell you, this smells like whipped cream, brownie batter, cupcakes. That's what it smells like, and it's a really, really beautiful color. You guys know I like my nudie pinks, and I'm telling you that color, the other 2 right there, I'm getting rid of. Kylie, and then that really shiny one that I don't know who would wear on their lips. It's way too shiny. Tossing those, keeping that. Huda Beauty, getting rid of all these. They're just minis, and I don't need them, and they're old. Okay, terrible lighting. Like I said, the sun's going down. I thought I would do a couple of swatches. This is, ooh, remember this? Kat Von D, which is now KVD Beauty. This is Bow and Arrow. This is a really popular nude. Stunning. Like, how can I get rid of that shade? I can't. That's my issue here. Lolita also. How popular is Lolita? I think it's a little dark though. I'm gonna get rid of Lolita. And for those of you, because I know there will be some people. Let me pick you up, honey. Come on. I don't want to get these lipsticks on you. I know there's going to be people who are like, send me the old ones. No, honey, I cannot. I don't like doing that because they're old, they're expired, and it's just, I'm not doing it. They're going in the trash. This one's called Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. From Marc Jacobs. Ooh, you like my jacket? We're dealing with a dangerous game here. The Sherpa, the baby, the lipsticks. Let's see if I can do a little swatcheroo real quick. Stunning! Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. Look at that one. I kind of want to wear that tomorrow. See? We need to put these like up front so I know about them. I wear the same damn lip every day. Let's look at this one. NARS. You guys see? This is brand spanking new. Look at this. This is an orgasm. Of course, because everything's in... Whoa. Everything's an orgasm. You want the tray. Listen. My mom, I bring Oakley over to see my mom almost every single day. And she's like, after like 20 minutes, she's like, okay. Like, She like panics. She's like, I don't know what to do. Like, this is too much. I'm like, try having him all day, every day, honey. Oh, don't eat my hand. I do have a hair. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. My leg gave out. Say thank you. Is Daddy picking up food for us? Actually, I have some pea soup for you to try. You want to try pea soup? I don't know if you like it. I don't know if you like the pea soup, but I think you're gonna try it. Honey, I'm getting this ready for you. I'm getting this ready. You can try some pea soup. You want some pea soup? All right, I can't do all of this clearly, so I did what I could. But literally finding some really stunning lip colors. This red, 714 from Urban Decay. That is like the perfect red. I don't even like red, but looking at that, I'm like, okay, let me show you this Infamous real quick. This is me trying to get the most done. Oh, hello, brownie batter. Look at Infamous. Do they still make it? If they don't make it at Sephora or Ulta, try TJ Maxx, because that color is beautiful. Let me just rinse this off, honey, and then you eat some pea soup. All right. Okay, I would honestly say the kitchen's pretty maintained. Scott picked up some of these Polar Raspberry Lime. They're my favorite Polar seltzer. Actually, no, I don't think that's true. I think Raspberry Lemonade is. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. But this is good. So Oakley's gonna try pea soup. I was just waiting for this to cool down a little bit. He's gonna try pea soup. We'll see what he thinks of it. Do you wanna try this, honey? Runny nose? Here you go. Yum! You like it? Mmm. That's pea soup. Do you like that? Your grandma made that for you. Pea soup. It looks so much better in here compared to what it was. So that makes me happy. Let me get you another one. Let me wipe your nose first, okay? I just wiped his nose. He started crying. I think it's like, good job. Yum. I think his nose is like raw, poor thing. What do you think of peas? You like peas? You do? Wow. We're also gonna give him a bath tonight. I'm not gonna vlog that because we're gonna get our food, get ready for bed. Don't really vlog nighttime routines or anything because it actually gets quite dark in here. Other than the tree, we don't have like that much lighting. It's not the best for filming. We're lucky we have a little bit of daylight right now. You like that? Let me get you some more. Do you want more? Oakley, look. More? Let me get you more. Good boy, Teddy. Okay. Seems like he likes it and doesn't want me to take it away. Here you go. Try the handle. There you go. Nom 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 nom. Here you go. Oh. You love it. Oh, that's so nice. That's so sweet. Your new baby doll. This is our dinner. Crab cakes. This is Scott's pizza. And this is chicken parm. I've never gotten chicken parm from this place, but interesting. I think the crab cakes look the best because it's like the most colorful, honestly.
Looks good.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna end my vlog using this light. I'm gonna end my vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed Vlogcember day 3, and I'll see you tomorrow.